everyone, I'm back. It's been a while since I did my last video. So, being a new year, I'll start again. So today my dance is called VE25. Even though it's a last year dance, but it's quite funky. And it's a 32 count, 4 walls, a beginner level line dance. There is a tag in this dance. So let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, walk right forward, right forward, and a kick on the left. Walk right forward, right forward, kick on the left, step away on left, step away on right. Do a back coaster with the left. Back together, forward. So now with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, V. Out, out, in, step right to the side, touch left, behind, right. Step left to the side, touch right, behind, left. So, section 2 with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, do a bind to your right. Side, behind, side, touch. Continue with a rolling wind to the left. Quarter, half, another half with a forward shuffle. Forward shuffle. So section 3, bind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section. Let me show you last section facing you. So you can see, last section is you step out and hold. Do a rocking chair first. Rock, recover, back, recover, step out, hold, and do a knee roll on the right and a knee roll on the left. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, hold, 6, 7, 8. So section 4 facing here, do your rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover, and out. Hold, roll knee right, and roll left knee. And you finish the dance here. So let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. And that's the end of the dance. You will start wall 2 facing 9 o'clock. So now with the tag is at the end of wall 8. You'll be facing 12 o'clock. The tag will be V. Out, in. With a count, 1, 2, 3,